Hey ladies and gentlemen, hope you can hear me. It's quite loud out here. Coming to you from Mazatlan in Mexico. Seas just behind me. Just a quick one today. As always, so if you think it's going to benefit anyone, please like, comment, share it on Facebook, Instagram, and hit subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss anything. But yeah, today I just want to talk about clearing your mind, because a big part of being mentally clear and free is having things set out for you in a way that you feel that you've achieved something. So a lot of time people, hello Helen, I'll be on the IR call very shortly, but so often times people feel can be anxious or get depressed because they haven't got things, well, they feel overwhelmed and they haven't got things scheduled out, okay, and they feel like they should be doing lots of things, but they don't know what they need to do, they don't know what to do first, and it becomes almost, the mind is almost unclear on what needs to be done, or if things don't get done, they feel like they haven't achieved enough in that day. Well, it's quite loud here, isn't it? Can't move here. So they feel that things haven't been achieved enough. So one of the key things to do when it comes to mental clarity and actually feeling that you've achieved something in the day is to get things written out. That's why journaling is so powerful, and scheduling things so you actually have a clear daily plan. So if you have things that are written out, for example, we're going to my morning routine, I have certain things that I do in terms of breath work, journaling, being in nature, working out, reading something inspiring. If I tick them all off, straight away I feel like, oh, I've actually had a productive morning, and then everything else I need to do in my day, whether it be my calls, whether it be videos, whatever it be, time with family, it's really, really important. Now, if you don't schedule things, so often, you know, you can be, oh, I've got to remember that, it can cause stress. And people walking around thinking, oh, I've forgotten this, forgotten that, which becomes a burden, and once again can lead to overwhelm, anxiety. So just a simple task, simple tip for today, simple task of scheduling your day and actually writing things down, you know, ticking them off as you go. Not only gives you a sense of satisfaction and achievement, but it also allows space in the mind. You know, John Medina's book Brain Walls talks about how you've only got so much space in your conscious mind, and it's why things always pop in there. But if you can get things out of your conscious mind and on paper, it clears up a lot of space. You've only got a certain amount of finite consciousness. So really, just a very, very clear tip today. Get things scheduled, you know, your big rocks. What do you need to do on a daily basis? Maybe there's certain things you want to do every morning, and then your big rocks for those days. And at the end of the day, you can go through and see what you've done, like what you've done. If you get three things, that's great. 3 things are always, 3 big things done, perfect. And then you can schedule your day for tomorrow. And it just allows you to know what you're doing, clear your mind, and feel like you've had a productive day, okay? So very, very simple thing for today. But what gets scheduled gets done, and what doesn't get scheduled often leaves you in a state of a depression for not doing it, or anxiety for thinking, oh, I haven't done that. But getting things clear, getting things written down, putting them on paper, a great way of doing things. Anyway, coming to you from, as I said before, Mazatlan, it's about 7:50 here, 7:50 a.m. We went for a nice run, had a good morning routine, got some calls with my clients now, which we're looking forward to. But anyway, hope it's a clear, concise, easy message, okay? Get a nice, clear mind, getting things scheduled, getting things on paper. And it's going to really leave you a much clearer thought process for the day ahead, all right? Right, very, very simple. As always, guys and girls, have a good day, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.